So you want to go on a road trip? As they say, it's not about the destination, it's about the preparation. Yes, preparation. It's time to stop at the workshop. So, road trip. 2 words. You've got to be prepared for the road and for the trip. And for that, today I've invited a special guest. Hi Andy.
Hey Thomas. Today we're going to explain how to prepare your motorcycle road trip and head out with peace of mind. It may seem obvious, but the first thing you need to prepare is your route. This means having an up-to-date map or a GPS and, of course, your phone.
Yes. Well, I guess I can get rid of this one then. And what about the fuel stops? I mean, both kinds.
If your road trip involves remote routes, then you can locate fuel stops on via Michelin.com or simply click the link in the description. And for delicious pit stops, check out the Michelin Guide.
Now, what routine checks do I need to do?
Start with the brakes. To do so, you can check in the owner's manual. You should check the thickness of your disc brake and your brake fluid levels. If in doubt, always talk to a professional. And whilst you're in there, you should check when it was last serviced too.
Alright, so brakes and service, check. What's next?
Engine oil. Make sure the level is good by checking in your owner's manual. Don't forget to watch for any leaks. The next thing you should check is the fork. It's pretty standard stuff here. Just check that you don't have any gaps in the seal area.
Alright, check.
Now, you need to check if all your lights are working correctly. That's headlights, tail lights and turn signals. And the same applies for your horn.
I'll be sure to pack a few spares then, because the bulb always breaks at night. On a Sunday. During a holiday.
Next up is chain tension. Make sure it's not too tight and not too loose. If your motorcycle has a drive belt, check for any cracks. Also, if your bike has cooling liquid, don't forget to check the levels.
But Andy, haven't you forgotten about a major part of the motorcycle?
The tires!
The first thing to note is your choice of tyre depends on the type of road and your riding style.
According to the route I've planned, it's going to be mainly road.
Okay, so to ensure a long, safe ride in the best possible conditions, you're going to want to check out the Michelin Road 6.
Oh, nice. It's actually the tire I just fitted to my new bike.
This tyre is truly versatile. It can be fitted on roadsters, GT and even trail bikes.
I love what they did to the sidewall.
Velvet touch technology.
And what about off-road trips?
Then I'd advise you to choose the Michelin Anarchy Wild, which offers great stability and comfort.
Nice. Stability is super important on tough terrains. But now, what if I have a mix of terrain? Like mainly road, but sometimes a bit of off-road terrain.
Did you organise your road trip on your parchment? Regardless, Michelin always has the right tyre for you. In that scenario, I'd suggest you check out the Michelin Anarchy Adventure.
Alright.
It's a road-orientated tyre, but you can do some off-road too. Regardless, before starting your trip, and especially if your tyres aren't brand new, thoroughly check for signs of wear and damage and check your tyre pressures.
And does tyre pressure depend on the weight I'll be carrying?
Yes, indeed. If you're riding alone with just your toothbrush, your tyre pressures should be the ones indicated in your owner's manual.
I love travelling light.
Indeed. But say you did travel with heavy bags and a passenger, you need to adapt your tyre pressures. If in doubt, check out your owner's manual or the local Michelin team. As far as equipment goes, my advice is always the same. Safety first.
How do I look?
Not bad. First up, your lid. I see you went for an open face helmet. That's a good option if you're going on a leisurely trip. But for more protection, go for an integral one.
Yeah.
Pants and jacket appear to have good protection too.
Pants check. Jacket check.
Next, boots. Looks like you've gone for ones with good ankle support. That's an excellent choice. You can also choose boots with more reinforcement if you're going on a more adventurous trip. Nice protective gloves too.
So the general rule of thumb is padding is key.
Absolutely. Okay, so we're almost done, but there are a couple of things that are often overlooked.
What extras do I need?
Well, it's pretty standard, but consider these items. a reflective jacket, a flask, some cash, a map in case your GPS fails you, a small toolkit, some straps, back protection, some rainproof gear, neck protection, and of course some snacks.
Oh yeah.
And now you're all set.
Yeah. Thank you, Andy. See you next time.
Yeah, you're most welcome.
Well, I guess this is goodbye then. Stay tuned for my Insta stories. I'll be sharing my trip on there. See you next time at the workshop.